Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program. Guys, it's just amazing to be in the kitchen. The kitchen is just beautiful. And remember, every day we put up a recipe for you. It's tips, idea, and you know what I mean, it's amazing to know that we're getting a lot of feedback. People been saying, Chef Ricardo, the cooking is just really brilliant. But anyway, it's not all about the cooking. It's just to get the good news out there about Caribbean food and about different kind of dishes, different kind of ideas. Or you cannot even know how to waste food, as I did that video the other day out to leftover pasta and all this. So it's just tips, guys. Basically today we're going to show you how you can do your spaghetti bolognese in a different style, different ways, easy when you come from work and you're tired. This is the fastest way you can ever do your spaghetti bolognese when you come from work and you're tired and the kids them need dinner. So guys, it's just tips and ways, and hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Get a copy of the cooking book, is on Amazon. The price won't change. Go and get your copy and leave your comments. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the cooking program. Bye bye. Lovely and nice. So basically, as I said before, the quick and easiest way to make yourself a nice lovely spaghetti bolognese is this way, guys. You come from work, you're working 9 to 5, come home, kids need dinner. So basically you need to, first thing you need to do is get straight to the bathroom, wash it, and come downstairs and make yourself some spaghetti bolognese. Basically, pop a tablespoon of vegetable oil or olive oil inside of a frying pan. Make your frying pan pretty little bit warm. Basically, sometimes you can cut up your veg from the day before, like your spring onion, your white onion, or some garlic, and get it ready. That means when tomorrow evening when you come from work and you want to make yourself, the kids, and some spaghetti bolognese, that's one of the best way and the fastest way to make yourself a nice, lovely spaghetti bolognese. Basically, right here, I just cut up a medium-sized white onion and 2 stalks of spring onion. I'm gonna pop them straight inside of the pot. Nice one. And I have 2 white onion, and I have 2 medium-sized tomatoes. I'm just gonna put a little piece of thyme straight inside of it. So take off all of these for about a second. Nice and lovely. So I brown off the salt, take off my veg roughly about 2 minutes. Make sure they look a bit salt take off. Right here I have 500 grams of the old good British minced meat. Basically I'm gonna put it straight inside of it like this. As you can see, this is the old good British minced meat. Nice and lovely. Really good meat, guys. I'm telling you, this is a proper meat, and I love this one. Lovely. So then next, give it a start like this. We're gonna basically brown off the mince now with the veg and everything inside of it, so you must know what I'm talking about. So with that garlic, that thyme, you know, give it a nice, lovely flavor. You can smell that lovely scent. Really nice scent. So we're going to brown up this for about 10 minutes until you see it brown up and cook. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, we are browning up the mince. As you can see, still need to brown up some more. But as you can see what's going on inside of the pot. But in the meantime, we need to add some ingredients to it to cook inside of it and give it some flavor and some tastes. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to add 1 teaspoon, 1/2 tablespoon of beef seasoning. That's beef seasoning. We need to add some beef seasoning to it to give it some flavor. Then we're going to add some dry thyme. Just a little pinch of dry thyme. A pinch of dry thyme to it, guys. Just to give it a little bit of flavor and a little bit of taste. Then next thing we have some all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna have half tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. This is half tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. You need to add flavors to the meat. I mean, when it's cooking down with the flavor also. Because I can see the mince is burning off properly, really good. Basically, I want to simply say to you, a lot of people don't like to do this, but I like to add a little bit of my paprika. So I'm gonna add half tablespoon of paprika. That's paprika, guys. Beautiful paprika. Paprika really nice inside of the meat. But basically I want to simply say to you, if you're at home and you're cooking your mince and you have certain kind of seasoning which you do want to use inside of your meat, it's fine. It is fine. Use whatever seasoning you got, because every other country got different kind of ingredients. But as you can see, we are browning off the lovely, good British mince meat, and as you can see, it's going down with a lot of flavors and a lot of taste inside of it, guys. Looking so fantastic. So as you can see, just simple basically cut a little bit of coarse pepper. If you want to give kids, be careful of pepper. And just simple a pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt, because you don't want to add too much salt, guys. Remember, the season do got salt. Lovely and nice. As you can see, the meat is just cooking out really fantastic. Getting the meat right and proper way. This is the best way to do the meat. What I'm doing right here. Look at the color. The color of the meat is beautiful. Really outstanding. Ah, man, you're gonna love this, guys. You're gonna love this spaghetti bolognese right here. I did it before, but every day you learn stuff new. Next thing, I got some sweet corn which I want to add to it. 1 large cup of sweet corn. Straight inside of it. That's 1 large cup of sweet corn, guys. Give it a stir. Because my meat is brown out now, so I'll just add in some more stuff to it. Look at this now, guys. Beautiful. Look at the color. With the sweet corn and the spaghetti bolognese is gonna go down really well. To be honest, I've got a bottle of original bolognese sauce, and I'm gonna pour it straight inside of it. Your bottle, just put a little bit of water inside of it and rinse out your bottle. You don't have to do it, but for Chef Ricardo, we don't waste stuff. Just a little bit of water and add it to it, just like that. Lovely and nice. So as you can see, next thing what we're gonna do. A lot of people say, oh, Chef Ricardo, I don't do that when I'm cooking. When you're cooking, you need to add stuff to your pot to make it taste really nice, taste really good. You want, when you're cooking, your kids enjoy it and can go to school and say, Mom, cook the best meal ever. So, guys, don't shy. Always put ingredients into your pot once you got stuff at home. Add some ketchup, guys. Roughly 2 large spoons of ketchup. That's the key. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Really, really good. As you can see, the whole good spaghetti bolognese cooking down. Oh, you're gonna love it. Next thing, cover your pot like this and turn on your stove for roughly about a medium-sized heat and leave for it to simmer. Lovely and nice. So basically, let's see what's going inside of the pot. You can see, look at this, guys. You see what's going on? That's what's going on. when you cook a lovely spaghetti bolognese at home, the kids are supposed to love it. Because kids do love this kind of stuff. So as you can see, all the mince looking lovely and nice. Look at this, beautiful. Now we're gonna share it out, because this is finished. So we can share it out now. We're gonna share it out and make you guys see exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about on the plate. Enjoy the recipe. This is finished, and enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much. Lovely and nice. So basically, I start to share the spaghetti, guys. Sorry about that. Right here, as you can see, Alright, let's put a little bit more spaghetti on top of it. Just like this. Guys, I'm gonna show you something which is really interesting. So right here, this is the spaghetti right here, looking lovely and fantastic. But basically, not only that, we need to put on the bolognese on top of it, just like this. This is marvelous. And simple. You know, sometimes you need to balance your diet. A lot of people don't know, so you can balance the diet. It's not all about having a lot of cooked veg, especially the time is a little bit warm. Simple, basically. Just put this on top of it, just to balance the diet, guys. I'm sorry about this, but this is another way how you can balance your diet. But basically, as you can see, a nice lovely spaghetti bolognese with some salad on top of it. Balance the diet, really nice, fantastic, beautiful, light. I know you guys will love it. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipes coming out for you, so hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. And as I said, we have a lot of recipe for you guys. I know you're gonna love it because it is simple, basic, and easy and effective. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.